Pantrópico, pantrópico, oh.
Introduce ourselves.
2, 3.
Hi, I'm Stacy.
Hi everyone, I'm Nico.
Hi, I'm Sheena.
Hey everyone, it's Aya.
Hi, I'm Malloy.
I'm California.
I'm Caleb. Hi everyone, I'm Gwen. What's up, it's Joanna. And we are BD. It feels great to be back here in the US and of course to see everyone. Thank you so much po for the warm welcome. And grabe talaga mag-support ang mga Pinoy!
So, request lang po namin, if you guys know this song, we would love to hear all of your beautiful voices and sing with us. Ready, girls? Ready? 5, 6, 7, and bawat naman sumasaya. Nawawala ng pangangamba. Louder. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Pantrópico, pantrópico, oh. Pantrópico, pantrópico, oh.
Got it by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo bang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat naman sa masaya, magmula nakita ka, nawawala ng pangamba, pag ika'y gabi na. Feels like someone like you, parang islang patropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang patropiko. Sa islang patropiko. Sa islang patropiko. Sumapit na ang araw, haligay mo yung mga puso. Hinahanap ka sasabihin, di na mawala sa isip. Nakita kang pag-alabing, puso ko'y biglang mapagkain. Alin na bang sinabi, kakapit pa ang kaming. Footprints in the sand, to walk in your desire. Got it by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Bawat naman sumasaya, magmula nang makita ka, nawawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone I'm with you, parang isang patropiko. Can't wait to go back with you, sa islang patropiko. Sa islang patropiko. Sa islang patropiko. Violin sitting on a white sand, kiss if I'm in love with you. Guess with you, probably crazy. You're crazy, oh, oh, oh. Kasi para bang hindi mag-ibig. Kumakabog o humihinto, kumugulo ang puso ko sa'yo. Got it by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo bang pinadama? 'Cause boy,
niya. Sige nga. Room, sumigaw.
Wow, may mga groups po ba dito? Thank you so much po. Alam niyo po, it was just a dream for us before na makapunta sa ibang bansa. Pero ngayon, di ba? Nakakapunta tayo sa ibang bansa at hindi lang punta. We also perform and we make people happy. Kaya gusto po namin magpasalamat sa ASAP family po for bringing us closer to our kapamilyas here in California. Pero syempre, naniniwala po ba kayo sa manifestations? Diba? Nag-work siya eh. Di ba nga hindi ba nakakatry? I-try nyo lang. Or pwede kayong humarap sa salamin. Diba? Pwede ba kaliwan? Sige, sample. Salamin. Pwede mong pahingi ng pang-shopping sa Ontario Mills. The best.
Salamin, Joanna. Pwede ka pang mabasaki.
Bawal. We hope that our next song will inspire you to always believe in your dreams, diba? Let's create the magic together!
Oh hindi niya sila pag-ibig. Sila minsan bibigyan niya bago mo masigit.
Alright, that was good, Celine. Grabe na naman Pinoy dito. The energy is giving. The energy is it's so sad, pero guys, we're on to our last song. But before that, we just want to say thank you so much for the warm welcome. It is such an honor to be here. And we hope that we made you guys feel happy, because it's really our goal to just inspire people, inspire the dreamers out there, and to always remind everyone to have fun, be kind, and always remember to live, right everyone?
Right, yes.
California looking up!
Grabe! Pinoy check! Eh! Grabe! Nasaan ba yung mga blooms dito? Okay, sino po ba yung mga pinunta niya dito? Sino po? Dito? Sino po pinunta? Uy, dito kami? Ah, thank you so much!
Meron pa sa kanila may mga beanie ones!
Yeah, thank you po!
Naka-baby shirt din siya yan.
Thank you so much po for giving us such an amazing energy. And we cannot wait to come back here. Thank you so much, California. Sorry na po. Thank you po.
Yes, and California, if nag-enjoy pa kayo, isang A naman dyan!
Sa mga hindi po alam yung A, you have to do this, and then raise it up and shake it well, and then show your tongue.